In this tutorial, I will show you how to navigate Money Plus. On the main page, information is organized in a two-level menu. The top-level menu, located at the bottom of the screen, shows you the categories: Books, Insights, Planning, and Dashboard. Let's go back to the category. Here, you will see the second-level menu at the top, which includes accounts, income, and expenses. Each top-level menu has its own options. The app remembers where you left off and will show you the same option when you return. Information is shown for a specific duration, indicated at the top of the screen. For example, the expenses shown on the screen are for December. You can easily move backward or forward in the duration by swiping right or swiping left on the screen. If the duration does not cover the current day, the background color of the top and bottom will be highlighted to indicate that you are not working on the current duration. You may want to see the figures accumulated for a different duration, such as how much you have spent this year. Click on the duration at the top, and you can choose the duration mode that fits your analysis. The app menu is available in the top left-hand corner. From there, you can access other app features, such as backup, export, and other app settings. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you require additional information, you can find detailed documentation in the app menu's help section.